Hey YouTube, it is OG Cami K. Long time no see, but your girl is back. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. A lot has been going on over the past month. I know I started giving y'all like consistent content and then it just stopped, but I moved. And it's just really been an adjustment with Blue and just getting into our new schedule and what have you. But I actually have 2 videos in stock. Like, they already recorded, they just need to be edited, and they're hair videos. My hair today is just in a pineapple. I did a wash and go yesterday, and it's like rainy and muggy outside, so I'm trying to preserve it as long as possible. But anywho, those videos will be out over the next few weeks. I did want to take y'all through some of the process of just getting accumulated into my new place. My living room and office space and kitchen is like 90% finished, and I'm pretty excited to show y'all the fully furnished tour. But my bedroom and my closet, out of line. So if you're looking at the title, you already know what today's video is. I'm going to be getting my closet in check today. It's just not like well organized. Let me actually walk inside so y'all can see. So I got a lot of stuff up here that's just like thrown up there. Jewelry like halfway done. Stuff hanging out. Shoes randomly over the place. I got stuff back here that just straight up fell off the hanger. So a couple of things that I want to do. I also used to have my closet color coded, believe it or not. You can kind of tell like grays, blue jeans, all of my blacks, all of my whites, colors, things like that. I actually do want to bring that back. And then at the top, I want to rearrange my purses. For some reason, I have them facing that way. It doesn't really make sense. It should be the other way. So I want to redo it and make it really cute. And then secondly, so that's just the first half is reorganization. But then lastly, I got to get rid of these boxes, y'all. I'm still like technically not completely unpacked. It's really not much though. It looks like a lot, but it's not much. So these are shoes. More like boots, wintertime stuff that I'm not even wearing right now. Some stuff I may throw away. This is actually going to be given away to Goodwill. This in the back, you can't really see right now, but it's honestly like office stuff and just things that I do want to use for my office space, but not all of it. So honestly, some of it may go away. This is like clothes that I honestly don't wear that I may end up throwing away, but they are more winter type things. Random, and then this is trash. So the goal for today is to get all of these boxes accumulated. There goes Blue, and into my closet, and then to reorganize my closet completely. All right, y'all, so that is pretty much it as far as what I want to do with this space. I'm gonna go ahead and get started and prop y'all up so y'all can do this with me. I am gonna get some wine and some music going, so I will check back in with y'all when we're all done here. Okay, y'all, quick update. I am finished with the reorganization of clothes. I got this up here looking a little bit better than before. Don't mind these hangers. I am replacing them. I'll put a picture up with the ones that I ordered off of Amazon. They're just not here yet. but these are nice. And then we got the color coordination going on right here, looking good. My jackets I didn't color coordinate, but I did organize them based off of what I wear most. So my jean jackets, all of my hoodies, I think my blazers are right here, and then bigger, thicker jackets start right there. Next is going to be the purses up there, and then finally just putting the shoes inside. All right, y'all, here is the final look. I'll start here at the top. You see I have my purses nicely organized based off of the ones I like the most, all the way to the back, and then just some of my bigger purses there. I told y'all earlier about my coats, organized to perfection, how I personally like them. Here we have our clothes. I haven't done the hangers yet. Doing this whole organization thing, I realized I just need new hangers, period. So I'm just going to replace all of them with the same kind, same colored nozzle at the top. And I probably am going to get this felt kind. So there's that. Jeans over here. Jeans, I didn't really do too much like color coordination. It's more about what I wear the most. Then my work type pants over here, and then more slacks and more slacks there. I have a lot of slacks that need to be hung up. I don't know if I can see that. Then looking up, we've got random miscellaneous stuff, old bills, important papers, extra comforter set, extra pillows, more sheets inside of those sets. So that's all there. Coming down, we have my jewelry area. So here I keep all of my watches, earrings, necklaces, some rings that I recently got from Nordstrom's are pretty nice. I do have this waterproofer for suede, even though I only have one pair of suede shoes, but whatever. Here are purses that I frequently grab, like my going out quick little purses. This one and this cute little Coach one. And then my frames for my Gucci shades that are not in here. Now, my drawer is broken. It's been broken. I know that I need another one. So I actually did not unpack that last box that you guys saw, just because I don't want to put it in there and then get a new dresser and then redo that all again. So that is pretty much it, you guys. Let me know your thoughts on this organization video. If you guys have any tips or tricks on how you guys like to organize your things. And also let me know if you want to see more of this process. Like I said, I have taken care of the majority of my living room space, but my bedroom is definitely still under construction, and I don't mind bringing you guys along on that ride if that's something you want to see. So just let me know, and until next time, peace.